I've got a 2015 Subaru here, and it's got a fog lamp out on the driver's side, and it's an H11, so I went ahead and picked two of these up. 2-pack up is pretty cheap to buy them myself and to do this job. So I'm just going to real quickly, we're going to have to pop off two of these things right here to be able to get up there to change out that bulb. It's going to be fairly simple. First thing I'm going to do is just pop that loose. I only make special tools for this. I've got one that's like this. That may work. Oh my goodness, I don't know about your car, but mine was really stuck. I couldn't get it down, so it's probably worth getting a little tool to do that. Pop that off. All right, sorry, I had to use two hands to get that loose. Mine's maybe it's got some dirt on it, doesn't want to come loose. So now that I got that free, I'm just going to pull down this panel here. Just like that. And we're going to reach up into here. Alright, I'm going to attempt to get my camera up here so you can see what this looks like. And there's a little tab right there. My finger. It's blurry or not. But I'm just going to push down on that. You got to push kind of hard on that tip and then pull straight back on that. So, see if the light will stay on there. Probably not. Can't get a light on there. I'm just going to push it and pull back. Sorry you couldn't see that. I just don't have a light in here. Now it's released. And so I'm going to turn it, the actual bulb, see, counterclockwise and then straight back. It's going to come out. There it is right there. So there's my bulb. And there's the connector. Not a very long cord on that. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the bulb to it and then install it back in there. But it's a halogen bulb, H11. And I'm not going to touch this because the oil on the new one, actually I'm not going to touch the new one because the oil on the new one will then cause it to not have as long a life. There's the new one. Alright, I went ahead and pushed that on there. Now it's going to put it back in there and turn it clockwise. Put it back in the hole. Got it in there snug. There you go, it's starting to move. And now it's snapped into place. It's back up there. So now I'm just going to test it, make sure it works. Yep, it's working. Okay, let's put the bottom panel back on and we're done. Push this back under here. And then that one can stay there. Like this one. That tab's on the outside. I will say though, these things are really stiff to move, so I think I should go ahead and replace those at some time. Although it's going to work for now. I'm just going to push it back in there and push the tab back down. And this one's really jammed up, but same thing, I'm just going to push it in there. This one might take a little, and it did punch back in there, so still good for now. Until next time I change the bulb, I'll probably replace those because they were kind of difficult. So if you want to save yourselves a good bit of money, go out and buy these yourself, H11, and then just replace it in a few minutes and you won't have to pay the shop. Hope you enjoyed it.